This is Scruffy, my old buddy. He's not afraid of me. Not afraid to peck my hand either. We're working up in the treehouse. Now his other buddy showed up and wants a piece of the action, but he's shyer than Scruffy. He'll actually come up and peck my hand. Look at his eyebrows. He's got the coolest eyebrows. Oh, now he's over here bossing his little buddy away. That's my bread. Okay, come on back, Scruff. Hey, buddy. He's literally this close to me. How you doing, buddy? You come get some? Is that good? Just don't take a chunk out of my hand. Okay? Alright. Ouch! That hurt. You little bugger. You poke a hole in my hand? Don't peck the hand that feeds you. There you go. No blood. You can get it. No, eat it.